Hi, how you doing? This is Robert Thompson with the Robert and Christie Real Estate Team, and welcome to our virtual quarantined open house. Who thought that would ever happen? Anyway, since we're not able to do an open house for this specific buyer or seller this weekend, what we're doing is we're going to do it virtually. So we're going to walk you through the home as if you were actually there, and we're going to, even though there's videos and a lot of photos that we have out there on the internet for this specific house, we want to kind of walk you through it. So we're going to do that right now. There are some certain health and safety protocols involved with actually viewing the home, and the owner is open to allowing viewings as long as those health and safety precautions and protocols are followed. So if you need to view the home in person, we'd be more than happy to set that up for you. We will need to be present. However, just give us a call. Let us know. So you can reach us at 951-314-0607, or our website. You can reach us out on our website, robertandchristie.com. Okay, let's get started with the actual video and kind of show you a little bit what's going on. You can see on the screen here, it's a 4-bed, 4-bathroom home. It's about 3516 square feet. It's located in Eagle Glen, which is a great community here in South Corona, and it's in the Santiago High School area and within the boundaries for that as well. The special assessments on this house are about $997 a year, and the base tax rate is 1.112, and you have an HOA fee of $72 a month. Let me show you the area that it's in. So right here you have South Corona right here. High school is right over this way. And over on this side of the freeway, you have the Crossings, which is just on the other side. You have the Stater Brothers Shopping, which is just a minute away. Then you have other stores and theaters here, and then down here is an area called Das Logos, which is right in here, and they have the shopping and lots of like a little outdoor mall type thing. So the home is located right here in the Eagle Glen area, and let's go ahead and walk you through this. It's a beautiful home, and we'll start here. So you can see the curb appeal on this house as soon as you drive up, and this is located on a cul-de-sac. And you'll see as you drive up what a great curb appeal it has. It's very well appropriated landscaping for this beautiful home. And let me go ahead and walk you in here. Let me open up the door for you as we walk up to the beautiful landscaping, the rock. Let's open the door here for you to walk in. So as we walk into the house here, we have tile floor. We have carpeting in the living room and the dining area. We have crown molding as well as both in the living room and the dining room. And you have a nice updated fixture there for that. And right behind there, you can see the butler's pantry. So big area, big open area, lots of space for entertaining. Here's the actual family room. It's more of a great room, really, because it's connected to the kitchen. So you have your fireplace. You can see how large and spacious it is in there. Again, you have the crown molding. And that backs up to the backyard, which has a pool. The kitchen is highly upgraded. You have granite countertops as well as stainless steel appliances. You have hardware on the upgraded cabinets as well. It has a range hood for venting, and the granite for the backsplash as well. Over here is like a little butler's pantry area, little cafe bars, what they're using it for, and the pantry's large. So you have a lot of room to store your goods right in there. This little area is a little cutout nook that's in the kitchen area, so he used it really well. Downstairs is a half a bathroom, so you got a half bath down there for everybody to use, as well as you have your laundry off to the left. That door off to the left is your garage, which has like epoxy flooring, and it's all drywalled in there as well. Let's walk you upstairs. When you walk upstairs, you get to this large den bonus room area, formerly used as a theater by the previous owner. That previous owner left the posters there for this owner, and because he really liked them. So the posters are available for you too as well when you buy the home. And the home, again, was well done as far as the size there for the theater room. This is the actual master bedroom. It looks back to the backyard. It has a ceiling fan. It has a fireplace. A lot of room there. You can have an in-suite. That's just looking out from the window. You can see through the backyard, and you can see the mountains as well. Start up the fireplace for a warm, cozy evening for you. The master bathroom has, separate vanities there for 2 people, and you have a separate tub and shower. And the closet here that we're walking in here is really well done, really well maintained, and really nice closet furniture in there. This is one of the bedrooms off of that bonus room area. It's very large. It has a ceiling fan, crown molding, walk-in closet. Right next door to this room is the bathroom, which is the hall bathroom upstairs. You have to see the dual vanity sinks there. I like the wood that they placed on the for the kind of the back wall there. They did the same thing over here in this large room as a walk-in closet, but that wood is a really nice touch for what they did in here. Adds a lot of nice contemporary style. This room has its own private bathroom. It has a very large closet along the wall there, and right there with the door, right in this area right here is its own private bathroom. So if you have a guest or you have be a good guest room or somebody who's living there and they need their own bathroom, it's perfect for that. Walking outside, it's all the concrete. You have some grass there to play in. You have covered patio, as well as you have the pool as well. So the pool is really well done. You have a spa, and that pretty much wraps it up. It's right up near the mountains there. If you have any questions or you have anything and you'd like to go ahead and see this in person, we'd be more than happy to make arrangements for you to do that. So have a blessed day, and we look forward to helping you view this home at 4020 Old Waverly. Thank you.